Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make an image talk with AI. For this, first of all, we open any browser. Once browser is open in front of you, first of all, we will create an image with AI. For this, we will use the software called Leonardo AI. After writing the Leonardo AI, just hit the enter button. Open the first website, Leonardo AI. Once it's open, here you will see the button of Get Started. Click on it. Now here, first we have to create an account in Leonardo AI. I will go with Google. Now here, first pick up your username. Answer the following questions. What are your interests? We will go with the stock images. After that, there is a toggle. Allow Leonardo AI to send me marketing emails such as newsletters and updates. We will not allow this option. After that, click on Next. We will go with Enthusiast. After that, click on Done. Then click on Accept Term of Services. This is a premium website, or you can't make images a lot. You have 150 tokens a day to create an images. After that, click on this image creation button. Then click on Let's Go. Now here you can see there is an option of prompt, and now here we will write the prompt. The prompt is a mature European man with beard. After that, click on generate, and over 24 credits will be deducted after the creation of images. Now you can see your images has been created in Leonardo AI. Let's see the images. This one is a side look, but we can't go with that. I think this is perfect for our AI talking avatar. There is an option of download in below. Click on it and your image will be downloaded in your PC. After that, we will open a new tab, and now we need a voice for our AI avatar. For this, we will open 11 Lab. Open the first website, 11 Labs. Go to the right top corner and click on Try for Free. First, we need to sign up over here. For this, just click on Sign up with Google. Select your account. Then click on Continue. First, write your name over here. After that, select how did you hear about 11 Lab. After that, click on Next. Yes, for personal use, for fun. Once it's open, now here we will write a script. This is a script that AI character will say, I am a European man with beard and I know I am AI character and you are listening. After that, go below and select the character. We will go with Brian. After that, click on generate speech.
I am a European man with beard, and I know I am AI character, and you are listening.
Let's download this voice. Yes, it is downloaded. After that, we will open another tab, and now here we will search for D-IDAI. After that, hit the enter button, scroll down. This is the website D-ID. Open this website, click on start free trial. Once it's open, we will go to the left side, scroll down and click on this guest button. Click on login or sign up. Create your account first. Otherwise, you will not be able to create a talking avatar. Select your account, then click on continue. What will you use DID for? For my personal project, then click on next. And now here, I am not sure yet, then click on next. What is your target audience? I am not sure, then click on done. And now here you will see a button of create a video. Click on it. First of all, we have to upload our character. So click on upload. Our character has been in DID. After that, go below in the emotion section. We will select happy. Then go to the left side and click on this script button. Now here we have our own audio, so click on audio. Then click on upload audio. First, listen the audio.
I am a European man with beard, and I know I am AI character, and you are listening.
It's done. After that, go to the right top corner and click on generate video. Click on let's go. Our video is getting ready. So let's wait. Now our video has been ready in did.com. After that, click on these three dots, go below and click on download. Now our video has been downloaded. First, open the folder, then open the video.
I am a European man with beard, and I know I am AI character, and you are listening.
Now you can see our AI talking avatar has been created. That was the way how to make an image talk with AI. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.